Good morning, student. Today we will learn how to add some color in our HTML document, and for this we will create one program, a notepad. So hope the screen is visible. So now we will create our program, or we can say our HTML file, by using some basic tag, as we have already basic knowledge of these tags, what exactly each and every tag means. So we'll start with the doc type. That is actually the good writing format of HTML file. So we need to write it first to start any HTML document. After that, this is an HTML document, so we must have to use HTML tag for this. And after this, we need to declare the body of the HTML document. Suppose that if we have any heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, anything, so we need to put some style in this heading. So we will use the attribute style is equals to, and if we need to add some color, so we need to use color color and colon, and the name of the color, what exactly we want to implement. We can also call the color with the uh, ratio of their red RGB, and you can use it like that also. The format is now. After that, we'll close this, and this is here the declaration of this attribute is completed. And now we will add what is the heading. See the content of the heading. So we'll add some content here, and after that we must have to close this tag, as a declaration of this tag is completed here. Now after this, suppose you want to add some style in paragraph also, so you can also use the same thing for paragraph. Color and what color you want to add, you must need to call it by its name. You can also search various colors are available. So now after that, the declaration is completed, and after that you can add some text. Suppose I will add some quotes here, some sentence here. Someone else, if don't be trapped by ma. If you add more content, so that will actually make you feel like that you are doing something. So add long sentences, long paragraph. And we'll end it with, as our declaration is completed, so we will close the paragraph tag. So we close it, and then we will declare all the required thing in our document. So we'll close the body tag, and after that we'll close the HTML tag. Now here is come done, and then we'll save this program with some HTML extension. Suppose the name of our file is img.html. When we save it with this extension, we'll find that in a given path the image has saved, and now we'll open it with the available browser. So we'll allow it to open with Google Chrome. So this is the output of our program. We can see this as we mentioned here that the heading should be in red color. So yeah, the given result is in red color. And what, the paragraph should be in blue color. Yes, the result is in blue color. So this is the program through which we can change the color of the content and also the color of any heading. So you can use various color by to styling your HTML document. Thank you so much. In next class, we will learn how to